Cantaloupe, cantaloupe, canadoo, buffalo, got monkeys and munchies. And I need something sweet. Don't go around and candy. Food is what I need. I could go bananas. Pears make me dessert. And yogurt on my pineapple is perfect for dessert. Nature's candy. Nature's candy. I call it nature's candy. Say nature's candy. I am sweet tooth, my little man from nature's candy. Strawberry, 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 blueberry. I don't need cotton candy. I don't need jelly beans. Find me with watermelon, spitting out the seeds. Toast with avocado, a slice of almond meat. Mango smoothie with a frozen berry symphony. Woo! Nature's candy, nature's candy. I call it nature's candy. Say nature's candy. I'm sweet tooth, my little man from nature's candy. You know why I love food so much? Well, it's sweeter than candy. But it's even better, tasting better than candy. Fruit is full of healthy stuff like vitamins and minerals and fiber that your body needs to be big and strong. Strawberry, 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 strawberry. A great tasting food that's great for you. Well, that makes me wanna